welcome to Howlers. What's up guys, Lone Wolf here, welcome to Howlers. Ron, welcome to Howlers.
What's up guys, Lone Wolf, Howlers. Today we're going to take you out to the barn and we're going to put together our rotating engine stand for Project H, the 1970 GMC C15. Stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for returning to watch some Howlers. Thanks. Yep, that's it. Stay tuned for this episode. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and unbox this and then we'll show you the contents. Okay, here are the contents to the engine stand that we're putting together today, guys. This is the Pittsburgh 1,000 pound engine stand. It is on sale this weekend at Harbor, Kentucky for $79.99 after the coupon is applied. Stay tuned, we'll do a time lapse of me putting this together. Okay guys, this is it. Finished product. Here in a couple weeks we are going to have an LS V8 for Project H. We'll have it mounted on this engine stand and we'll kind of go over it with you guys and tell you what our plans are for it and kind of show it off as we get the project started, as well as we will start on the rear axle for the 2011 Mustang 5.0 GT. We have to get that media blasted, painted, and installed. The one in it's starting to get a little loud, and we don't want to break down in that car. So thanks for stopping by and checking out Howlers. I know this is a short episode. We do appreciate your patronage, and we do appreciate every subscriber we have. Thank you very much.